Are you ready? Oh yes. Okay. Today we're gonna learn about pouring the water. Can you say pouring the water? Pouring the water. Underneath. Pouring. The water. Okay. Alice. Can you say pouring the water? Pouring the water. Good job. Yaya, can you say pouring the water? Pouring. Pouring the water. Okay, Fur. Can you say pouring the water? No, Fur. Pouring. Pouring the water. Okay, good job. Look at this. Are you know? Okay. Picture. 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 Can you say picture? Picture. Yaya. Picture. 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 Okay, picture. Fur. Picture. Okay, and then funnel. Funnel. Okay. Yaya. Funnel. Okay. Okay. Good job. Look at this. Bottle. Good job. Bottle. Okay. Bottle. Underneath. Bottle. Okay. Good job. And then look at this. Water. Water. Can you say water? Can you say water? Okay. Let's get started. Okay, น้องเฟอร์ Can you pick up the funnel? Can you say pick up the funnel? Put on the bottle. Put on the bottle. Can you say put on the bottle? Okay, and then you can pick up the picture. Pick up the picture. Okay. Pick up the picture. And okay, pour. Can you say pour? Number, can you say pour? Pour.
Pour water. Number, pour water.
Pour. Can you say pour? Pour. Okay. Pour. Okay. And then pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Can you say pour back? Number, can you say pour back? Pour back. Good job. Okay, can you say I'm done? I'm done. Good job. Next. Okay, Aris. Can you pick up the funnel? Pick up. Okay, put on the bottle. Put on the bottle. Can you say put on the bottle? Okay, and then pour the water. Pour. Can you say pour? Pour. Can pour. Okay, good job. Pour. 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 Okay, enough. And then pour back. Pour back. Okay, can you say pour back? Pour back. Good job. Okay, can you say I did it? Good job. Okay, Yaya. Pick up the funnel. Can you say pick up the funnel? Pick up the funnel and put on the bottle. Can you say put on the bottle? Put on the bottle. Okay, and then you can pick up the pitcher. Pick up the pitcher. Pour the water. Can you say pour? Pour. Can you say pour?
กลับไปเป็นว่าวันนี้กินพริกกัน
Okay. Pick up the pitcher. Pick up the pitcher and put on the bottle. Okay. Pick up the pitcher. Pick up the pitcher. Can you say pick up the pitcher? And pour the water. Pour. Can you say pour? Yaya, can you say pour? Okay. Pour. Yaya, can you say pour? Pour. Okay, and then pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Yaya, can you say pour back? Pour back. Okay. Good job. Can you say I did it? I did it. Okay. Underneath, pick up the funnel. Put on the bottle. Put on the bottle. Good job. And then you pick up the pitcher. Good job. Pick up, pick up. Pick up the pitcher. It's heavy. Okay? Pour. 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 Can you say pour? Annalise, can you say pour? Pour. Good job. And then pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Pour back. Well done. I did it. Good job. Give me 5. Okay. Pick up the funnel. Put on the bottle. Can you put on the bottle? Here you are. Put on the bottle. Okay, and then pick up the pitcher. And pour. Pour. Can you say pour? Good job. Pour. 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 Okay, and then enough. Pour back. Pour back. Okay, pour back. Okay, can you say? Well done. Give me 5. Okay.